Hello everyone.
The public protector said that there is no basis to conclude that President Cyril Ramaphosa contravened the Executive Ethics Code in the PhalaPhala scandal. This is according to Acting Public Protector Advocate Kholeka's preliminary report on the PhalaPhala matter. Kholeka's investigation found that the allegation that Ramaphosa exposed himself to any risk of a conflict between his constitutional duties and obligation and his private interest arising from or affected by his alleged paid work at PhalaPhala is not substantiated. Her investigation revealed that the PhalaPhala farm is managed by Ntabanyoni Close Corporation on land owned and registered under the Shibase Trust. Evidence and information before Kholeka indicated that US dollars stolen at PhalaPhala farm on or about February 9, 2020 emanated from a private cash transaction between private persons. On December 23, 2019, a Sudanese businessman Mustafa Mohammed Hazim arrived at the farm and purchased buffalo on 25 December. An amount of 580,000 US dollars, about 10.6 million rands, was received by Ntabanyoni employee Sylvester Ndlovu on the same day, and a cash payment receipt issued as proof of the transaction to Hazim. From the evidence before her, Kholeka said it is apparent Ramaphosa was not at the farm during the transaction and did not play a role in the sale. Investigators visited Secretary of the Cabinet Phindile Baleni on October 7, 2022 to inspect Ramaphosa's register of financial interests to obtain more information on the declaration relating to the financial year 2019-2020. The team found that Ramaphosa declared that he received no remuneration other than as a member of the executive during that reporting period for 2019-2020. Ramaphosa indicated further that he had instructed staying speed in his office to ensure compliance with the code. After the inspection, Kholeka established that Ramaphosa retained a financial interest in the form of a member's interest at Ntabanyoni. Her investigation could not find evidence that Ramaphosa was actively involved in any day-to-day activities or operation of Ntabanyoni or his PhalaPhala farm. Evidence provided that the daily management at the farm was the responsibility of Henrik Vaughan as the general manager with the help of about 40 employees. Therefore, the allegation that Ramaphosa had a financial interest in game and cattle farming was not supported by evidence. Ramaphosa was also not exposed to any situation involving the risk of conflict between his official duties as president and his private interest. She found that there was a difference between financial interest in a business and working for and receiving a salary from that business. And the allegation that Ramaphosa failed to report the crime and abused his power using state resources in the form of getting the presidential protection services. General Wally Rood, deployed at the farm to investigate the crime, Kholeka found that this too was unsubstantiated. Kholeka concluded that Ramaphosa followed the proper channels when he reported the robbery, and that the deployment of PPS officers at Ramaphosa's private residence did not amount to an abuse of power. Wally Rood alleged that he reported the crime to the late General Sindile Mfazi, the then national head of the State of SAPS Crime Detection Service. Kholeka was not provided with the proof by Rood to support his version, and no case docket was opened with the SAPS. Kholeka concluded that Rudy assembled his investigation team and later engaged in an unofficial criminal investigation, which included interviewing suspects, witnesses, conducting surveillance, traveling to Cape Town to trace suspects, collecting evidence and compiling a report in connection with the crime of housebreaking, with the intent to steal and theft at the president's house on PhalaPhala farm. She also stated that Rudy's contention is not supported by the evidence. Her final report will likely to find that Wale acted improperly by investigating the housebreaking without registering a case. Or what's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.